If your Sky Box is stuck on a red or amber light, try turning it on at the front of your box. If it works, your remote might need new batteries, or it could be broken. If it doesn't work, switch your box off at the plug. Turn off anything connected to it, including your TV. Find the backup button at the front of your Sky Box. Hold it down and turn the box back on at the plug. And keep holding it for another 30 seconds. Let go when 4 lights appear on the front of your box. If no lights appear, go to engineer-visit.sky.com to book an engineer. Turn everything back on, including your TV. Your box can take up to 10 minutes to update. When it's finished, your box will switch to standby. Wait 4 minutes, then press Sky on your remote. For more help, go to sky.com/help.